of this institution, and while I'm saying so, what the reason behind is that at Indira School of Business Studies we take care of holistic development of our students, wherein we focus on three basic areas. One is your head, hand and heart. Your head, which is resembling the knowledge part of our students, we take care that whenever there is some theoretical knowledge is imparted in the classes, we do have some practical exposure through industry speakers, through guest sessions for our students, so that along with the theoretical aspect, they can understand the practical aspect of the industry, what is going on in the industry. That also is imparted to our students. The second part that we take care of is the hand, which is the practical aspect of the things and hands-on practice. So if we talk about marketing students, we have Six Sigma workshops. We do various workshops and certification programs for our students. Financial modeling for finance students, finance gym that we do, then analyticals workshop for our HR students. So we takes care of the hand part as well. The third most important part of education system at Indira is the holistic development of our students, wherein we takes care of the attitude part, which is representing the heart of our students. They should be good citizens first before becoming good managers.
And in order to impart those skills, we have empaneled with various professional agencies, and many of such agencies have people at CEO level on their board. So imagine getting periodic inputs from such senior people. How great that would be. So yes, that is what we do at ISBS. Industry interface is hallmark of our academic fabric here. To boost our industry interface, there is a huge magnanimous event called as Indira Brand Slam that we organize every year, wherein so many brands, their representatives, senior people from designations ranging from CEOs, CMOs, MDs, vice presidents, they come here, they speak with our students, and they come here in huge numbers. So yeah, Brand Slam is another thing that boosts our industry interface fabric, as I said earlier. Another thing that I would say while I'm right now talking to you, hundreds of my students have gone to attend an international summit. So there also they are going to hear from people of international repute from different geographical locations all around the world. So yeah, that's what we do because I think that's what is needed. When they understand or when they get to hear from people who are working in industry, students actually realize what they need to become, and they understand the gap between where they are currently and where they want to be. And yes, we do everything in best of our capacity to bridge this gap. International exposure, yeah, I was talking to you about international exposure. We do get many international speakers periodically here on our campus. They come and share their exciting stories with our students. We also have a dedicated IBAM International Business Exposure Program where we take our students outside India to a different country so that they get exposure of economic environment and business environment of different nations, and of course to inculcate cultural sensitivity in our students. I'm extremely proud to be part of this great institution because this institution has some real serious goal values.
At Indira School of Business Studies, we have various programs where we have communication skills being imparted to the student through the entire duration of the postgraduate course. In this, we have the communication lab, we have a lot of interactive video sessions, we have learning of certain ways in which the language is conducted and the language is taught to people all over. Children from different backgrounds come and sit in comprehensive classrooms. We have interactive videos and we have interactive sessions, and then we have some basics which are the basics of doing tests in class as well to find out whether they have the basic skills of reading, writing, speaking and listening. And at the end we evaluate which is the skill that the child is not able to do very well, and then train the child to become better at it so that they are ready for the corporate world, or they are ready to be picked up by the corporates who come to campus.
What I'd like to share in terms of some inputs or my experiences of the last 25 odd years which I spent first in the corporate world and the last 4 years which I spent at ISBS. a small concept which has started in this very semester is of a 70-30 idea, which I felt might encourage students, build up some kind of confidence in them, was allow them to speak for 70% of the time that we are having a session, and 30% is something we as a faculty would like to share in terms of our experiences, inputs, and some domain knowledge which we possess. I hope, presume that this particular experience of mine in the corporate world and this novel concept of 70-30 helps the students, to kind of gain a lot of insights into the industry per se, and also in terms of a very specific domain knowledge. I hope the students enjoy their stay whenever, whichever batch they come in at ISBS, and have a lovely time over the next